And right now, the big thing I need to do is dial in the alignment. Real fast, I'll just update you guys. I slotted the front coilovers and added a ton of negative camber. If you follow my Instagram, you already know the reason behind I did it, but I'll explain it real fast. You can see it's a ton of rear camber. It's not dialed in yet, but it's right around about, I think like -8. I want to put it to -7.5. The added camber should help with the transition speed of the car. So having this much camber in the front, you don't have as much grip because there's less tire on the ground. And when you're coming from lock and going to the other lock, that center point is going to have less grip, and that's basically going to speed up my transition. Obviously, having the added negative camber, the leading wheel, which would be this one if I'm going this way, that would have more tire on the ground because at full lock, the leading wheel has positive camber. And so adding the negative kind of evens it out. And then on the trailing, that's going to have the same amount of negative camber, possibly more. So that'll take grip off of the trailing wheel, because sometimes if you have too much grip on the trailing wheel, it can bite and cause you to spin. I did lower the back 1 inch, so obviously I'm just going to recheck the alignment in the back. The settings I'm going for are going to be 0 toe in the back, 0 camber in the back, traction arms, those have been set a long time ago, even though I think I need to redo them. A little bit of toe out in the front, -7.5 degrees of camber, and I'm leaving the caster because I am at the limit until I go in here and hammer out like those pinch welds and stuff. Next weekend we're driving, I'm gonna test out all these changes I made with the camber and lowering the back and preload and all that good stuff I've been playing around with. I wanna test it out. I'm gonna try and dial the car in. And once the car's dialed in, I'll make some bigger, better plans. All right, pull this thing out. Loaded up. Just arrived at N-Spec Motorsports, and we're gonna get the S14 aligned, dial in the front camber, and go from there.
Yes, please do.
Just finished the alignment.
Oh, are you filming on YouTube video?
Oh, got a couple fans out here.
Huh?
What's up, man? Nice to see
man.
you.
Hey.
Thanks for watching the videos and being a fan.
Oh, fuck. Alright, bro.
Thanks for being a fan.
Yo!
No, where the So previously, as you can see, that right front, it did look like it had a lot more camber. It was at 10.3, which is crazy. Left was at 9.4, so definitely more camber than I initially measured. The toe, as you can see as well, was off because we did the B-knuckle and never aligned it from there. Just a lot of stuff we had to fix. The front is only adjustable through the top hat, so we changed that to get it as close to equal as we can. Drop down the camber to about -7.5. Caster obviously is the same. We did a slight bit of toe out, rear 0 camber and 0 toe. So now we're going to be dialed in with the alignment. It's going to make a decent change, but obviously I'm not going to notice a lot because I added camber and lowered the back and changed preload. I changed a lot, so I'm not going to chalk the car feeling up to just the alignment. But thank you again to N-Spec Motorsports. You guys are awesome. Super nice alignment, super cool shop, super cool dudes. I got some stickers, and I'm going to head back to drop the S14 off. Back at the shop. Nice little quick trip. Alignment's finally dialed in, front and back. It is hot, man. Oh my gosh. It is Sunday and all right, I got sick. It's Sunday, I didn't drive at all. I just completely bailed out on the event because I was just feeling like straight poop. Car has no oil in it right now, at all. Anyway, I'm gonna finish this oil change. I'm still sick. Take this car back to the home shop. Everything's in the same spot I left it on Thursday. These hoses wrapped in unnecessary heat insulation or heat sheathing. The lines go into this cheap oil catch can.